Okay, here we go, Braden. What are we doing this time? Here's our next adventure. We're gonna do the nature trail walk. Okay. I can't hear you when you're not looking at me. You gotta turn and look at the camera.
It's right behind the camper, so it's
Nice.
easy to get to.
Nice. I like the eagle on the front. Bald eagle. That's awesome. Do you do this one a lot?
No.
You gotta turn and look at me. I can't hear you.
No. Do you not hear what I'm speaking?
You don't do this one a lot?
No.
You don't walk on this nature trail a lot? Oh, be careful.
No.
You gotta watch where you're going. Tree roots all showing up all over.
I know, that's why I don't like going on it.
You like to more or less ride your bike. Had some storms come through. You can see we got a little damage here in the fence. We actually lost power, didn't we, when we first got here?
And it was the first time. Annoying.
Yeah,
Longest
look.
time until a year, and that's when they lost power. So that's annoying.
Yeah, that was pretty. Oh, look, there's a big tree on the fence there.
That's not a power outlet. I'm probably not gonna look at the camera much, but
Well, you got to so I can see your cute little face as much as possible.
I can't as much.
I know, you got to watch the roots so we don't trip, fall, huh? These are nice set of woods.
Yep.
We walk these quite often while we're here. There goes a squirrel.
I was about to say that.
Yep, we do. We walk and walk and walk, and we even bike sometimes down here. We do a lot of 5Ks, which there you go too, Braden. That could be an adventure. Maybe we could do one time a video of one of our 5Ks. But while we're camping, this is kind of what we do.
I'm just gonna be facing this way, talk the whole time. Might turn around and
Well, I don't want to talk the whole time. There you go.
well, I might do this when I don't see any bumps.
What do you think? Here, you can stop sometime. What do you think? Do you think that'd be a good video to do down the road? Is
No.
not a 5K video?
No, that'd be hard to remember.
Hard to remember.
Next 5K we're gonna do stuff.
Well,
5K we're doing probably gonna be next year.
we might have some this winter. We'll have to see.
Well, in the winter it won't be good on the snowmobile.
Man versus Mountains in February. That's in the cold.
No.
Sissy and I did that one, remember?
That one where she got hit.
No.
Where did she get?
Oh, that was on a snowmobile by town.
That was fun.
Ah, so nice. So quiet in here. Not many campers. See just a couple in through there. Usually them are just packed.
Alex had a little pathway that led into this.
Yeah.
Like
And there's
and it's just right. Like this is big from behind this camper.
yeah.
Ours is like that tree right here.
Oh. You seeing any critters yet? Saw one squirrel so far. That was all we've seen.
We'll find a code that's gonna be good.
I'm surprised. I thought we'd see a lot more
I saw a ton of flies
trees
around.
down.
Something. Yellow feathers.
Yeah, that was cool, huh?
I saw a ton of flies around.
Wow, look at
the
this
brown
tree.
thing.
Oh, look at that, Braden.
Oh,
Big old tree crushed the fence. Goes all the way across the path right there. That was in the storm we was at.
we're gonna have to climb it.
Yep, we gotta climb over it, don't we?
That's definitely new.
Yeah, that's the last storm that came through. That's a big tree. Whew,
Don't want to touch it.
look at that. cracked it and split it and uprooted it. Huh. Oh, that sunshine's nice.